Hello? This isn't just perfect. I fell into Nick's lab, and now look where I am, in a giant little place where no one is. Hello? Is anyone here? I need to find a way out of here. Okay, I just need to go do some more bee stuff, then I am out of here. But wait a minute, I see something over there. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna go walk to it. Doesn't feel safe, but I'll go.
It's getting cold. I can't do it much longer. Help me!
Who are you exactly?
I am A25, your personal companion.
I don't know who you are.
Please, I beg you, just please plug me in, please! I'm losing power. I'm losing power.
Why are the lights going out?
Because I'm in control of the Beast facility. So please, plug me into the bed box. Please! Please! I beg you. Please!
Fine. Since you're begging so bad, I'll plug you in.
Yes. Oh yes. This is perfect.
Well, I powered you to the legs. Wait, what are you? Why is your cord floating?
Did you really think that you would be really that powerful enough to defeat me? You're not that weak.
What do you mean?
To be honest, I really was going to let you leave. But I'm not going to let you leave. You're too weak for me. So that's why I decided to do something that I've been wanting to do. Now that I've done what I needed to do, you're going to be doing the test for me. And if you don't complete the test, you will die. Hope you enjoy the test. Make sure to stay safe. Robots, get him into the test room.
So what? I'm not scared of you. What if I refuse?
Now, do you want to do the test?
Sure.
Okay then, robots, get him now.
I'm sorry, I guess?